Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to a video, and today we're gonna be playing Among Us. Let's see if we can find a match. Alright, let's join this. Let's see who's in. Hello. There's someone named TNT. Dizzy. Okay. Alright, 4 people. Burr? Is he cold? It's really cold here. Lately. A few days ago, it was just like pretty warm. What? Oh. People are leaving the game. Alright, yeah, he can't leave. He's the host. Don't leave, okay? The brown guy. Okay, I think we can start now. Maybe we have to wait for... Oh, he's a... okay, he thinks he's a platypus. Okay. Do I want a plunger on my head? Or do I want toilet paper? I'll keep the dumb sign. Mac? Wait, where'd he get the angel thing? Wait, what? Okay, he's special. He's not gonna be the killer. I'm gonna follow him. Wait, he has like extra things. How? He probably bought something. Oops. Oh no, I put on the wrong hat. No. No. Darn it. Okay, whatever. Okay. I'm gonna follow. Don't touch me, sir. Alright, where are my tasks? Okay, I have... Oh no. What, already? It's blue. Yeah, I saw it was signed. Okay, someone's saying it's blue. Someone's saying not red, black. What? Who is it? Darn it, they're all voting. Okay, we're gonna vote black. I swear to, if he's not it. What? Oh my god. What the hell? Okay, now we need to fix the lights. Do you guys feel like jerks right now? Okay, I'm scared right now because... Okay, they fixed it. Alright, let's check this. Okay, what? Cyan? Or blue? Alright, we're moving really fast. Okay, I'm just gonna give an excuse. So they don't think I'm the imposter. I guess I'm gonna try blue. I'm gonna see blue, if it's blue. Right? If you, oh my god. Oh, Milk Tea was, wait. 0 imposters left? Did we win? We won. Wait, what? Why? I thought it said 0 imposters. Huh? What? Alright, I'm skipping. Alright, the red guy. Okay, I'm gonna keep an eye on the red guy. He's probably it. Oh, one imposter remains again. Alright, wait, I have another oh yeah, I didn't get to finish this one. 2 days, 1 day, 3 hours, 2 hours, 10 minutes, 3 seconds. Alright, we're done with that. Yeah, my joystick is stuck. Alright, let's go to admin here. Oh my god, I have another one of those. I swear to god, if they press another emergency meeting, please don't kill me. Nobody touch me. Oh, okay. Got it. Alright, let's do this. No, stay away from me. Bunny. Wait, hold on. Is that in Medbay? No, that's in Caf. Let's go down here first. Yeah. Don't. It was purple. Oh my god, Jesus. What? It's purple. Random words. Oh my god. It's purple. I knew it. I said, get away from me, bunny. Oh my god, this sucks. Oh my god. I have trash? What does that mean? Okay. What? What are they talking about? Okay, can we focus on the fact that purple just murdered me in the storage? Yes. No. It's purple. Don't look, everybody. Purple's so quiet. It's purple. Look, he's the only one not talking. Vote purple. No, that doesn't mean that. Oh no. Okay, everybody voted. Something else. No one was ejected. Tie. Alright. Oh my god. Wait, hold on. Is that my last? No, I have like 2 more. Yeah. Oh, Purple's gonna kill. Oh, Purple. Purple, I see you. Okay, where's my next task? Oh, yeah, this is my last one. Alright, wait, no, I still have one in communications. Oh, there's Purple again. Okay, let's spectate now. Purple's faking a task. What are you doing, Purple? What is Bunny gonna do? Oxygen deplete? Oh, Yana. You stopped there for a second. I know you. I know what you... Yeah, now you're trying to act all innocent. Where's everybody else? We're gonna lose. Come on, 7 seconds. Nice. Come on, finish your tasks. To the dead people, did you finish your tasks, sir? Sir, ditto. Okay. Alright, let's see. Can we witness a murder on these cameras? Look, there's a ghost. Oh, she's right up here, actually. Where's Purple? I wanna... Alright, Purple's taking this very slow. Where's Purple? She's... Oh! Bunny. Is that how you say it? Bunny. No. I am watching your every movement. Purple. Who will you murder? I know you're gonna murder... Everybody's here. It's not the right time to kill anybody. But you're gonna have to. Come on. Platypus is alone. Where did Mac go? The red guy? Red guy. Oh, TNT. TNT is right here. Let's watch. Purple's gonna come. Purple's gonna come right here. Oh my god. Did you guys not see that? What? Platypus is gonna find the body. What? No. I wish I could talk to them. No. It's Purple. Look, Purple's... Oh my god. Oh no. Let's vote brown. No, dummy. No, dummy. Wink. Oh, wait. He's kidding. He knows it's Purple. Vote Purple. It's Purple. Nice. Yes, we won. Yes, I knew it. That's what you get, Bunny. Oh my god, there's an ad.
Then turn your head to the right. If someone offers you
TikTok. Alright, alright, everybody's still here. Lol. Alright, now let's get my hat back again. the dumb one. Nig. I'm not gonna say that. Alright, this time, who do I want to stay with? Colorblind. George is colorblind. TNT Dizzy and Mac. I'm gonna call this guy Noodles. Alright, we're starting. Come on, imposter. Imposter. Damn it. No. Alright, I'm betting it's green. I'm betting it's Noodles guy. Okay, I'm gonna stand with, Alright, never mind. Oh, we need to do, oh no, I hate the asteroids thing. It's kind of, oh my god. I swear to god, if they think it's me, alright, watch, everybody's gonna be, oh no. Oh, dead body. Was with Not sure. Oops, I voted a little late. Alright, we skipped Dizzy left. Watch Dizzy. Oh, okay, never mind. Dizzy was not the imposter. Oh, okay, I'm gonna, I think Purple, there's no way Purple got it, like, twice in a row. We actually have a few tasks in electrical. Meh, who cares? Alright, yes, kill that. I don't like this because this takes like so long. Well, a bit long, and people can just like if you're like the imposter, you could just like kill. Oh, TNT's dead. Wait, we have to vote someone. Oh no, I just accidentally deleted. Oh no. Someone. Vote someone out. No, it was too late. I messed up. I accidentally pressed the X sign. Alright, I'm gonna stay with Bunny here. Wait, hold on. I think, no, I didn't finish it. Alright, let's do this now. Okay, we have to download 1 day, 8 hours, 1 hour, 7 minutes, 3 seconds. Don't touch me. I swear to God. What? I didn't finish this? What? That's bull right there. You saw I finished. See, just stuck on that. Okay. Alright. Wait, I have a task in admin. Oh, I hate these. Just sit there. I hate these more than the asteroid. Alright. Oh, okay, I'm gonna stay away from Mac. He's looking a little sus. Alrighty, electrical. Let's do that. I love the wires though. Alright. Wait, I think I finished. No, I still have one in the. One up here? Oh, another. Oh, guys. Stay away from me. Okay, everybody's here. Alright, okay, I think this is what I was trying to do. Really? This guy, he wants it. Okay, I think, okay, he might be like reverse psychologying us. Reverse psychol. It's yellow. Nice. No. No, 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 no. It's yellow, it's yellow. Oh my god. Come on, it has to be yellow. Okay, they're gonna fix the lights. And then... Alright, I'm gonna report the yellow. Report yellow. I'm betting it's yellow. You can? No, I don't think so. Okay, I swear, if it's him, if it's him though. Okay, I'm gonna vote him. I'm gonna skip vote. But if it's him, I'm gonna be very, very mad. Wait, it was him. Oh my god, I'm so smart. It was him. See? Told you guys. Oh my god, I didn't. Yeah, I was like, you can't have two of the same task. That's like, I don't even know. Alright guys, I'm gonna end it here. Don't Leave game. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm sorry I didn't post for like a long time, but here's like this little video of Among Us, and I hope you enjoyed, and hopefully I will be posting next time. So yeah, stay tuned, and bye.